Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to report your Facebook account that is being hacked. So by the way, let me explain with you. So in order for you to report your account that is being hacked or your Facebook account that is being hacked, you need to do mass reporting. So meaning to say, when we say mass reporting, we need to message other friends that we have in our Facebook. So you need to create first your new Facebook account, and then after that add all your existing Facebook friends in your hack account, and then message them to do mass reporting. So how are we going to do mass reporting? So let's say we already created our new Facebook account. So this is our new Facebook account. Now, we are going to report or mass report the hack account that we have. So in order to do that, let's search our hack account. So this is our hack account. So we cannot open that already. So what are we going to do is to click that, and then after that, we are going to click the three lines here. This one. And then after that, you may now click help Jomar, and then click hack, and then done. So meaning to say it's already hacked. Another thing in doing mass reporting, aside from help Jomar, let's say for example your hack account, someone is already using, so just simply click report profile, and then let's say click pretending to be someone or posting inappropriate things. So let's say for example, your account was hacked and then they are posting inappropriate things in your Facebook account. You can just simply click this, and then you are going to report them. Okay, so you may click report all the posts that they post inappropriately, or you can click pretending to be someone, and since your account is already hacked, you can click pretending to be someone and then report it. Okay, who are they pretending to be? Let's say click me, and then click report or submit, and then the Facebook community will check whether we're going to check that profile, especially if it's already hacked, and then until uh, it was already reported in Facebook, and those hackers of your Facebook will no longer open that file. And again, it is mass reporting, so you need to call a help for your other friends until the Facebook get notified of it. So that's it for our tutorial for today.